So hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is David. So as I promised earlier, I said I'll be providing free Coursehero accounts every week and also free Turnitin logins on every week. So here is today's free Coursehero account. If you're the first one to watch this video, you'll be able to get the password and the email to use in the Coursehero account with ready unlock. So for the Turnitin account, I'll also post a video soon for the login. So if you want to access the logins, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share with your friends to remain informed. Remember, only subscribers and those who have turned on the notification bell will get notified every time we post a new video with free Coursehero account and free Turnitin logins. Kindly watch this video to the end to get all the details of the Coursehero account and benefit yourself by unlocking assignments.